In our class, I have added a topic, which is virtual machine. What is virtual machine? Virtual machine is, let me show you that. A virtual machine is a software-based emulation of a physical computer, allowing you to run multiple operating systems and applications on a single physical machine. It functions like a real computer with its own virtualized hardware resources and operating system. This allows for increased resources utilization, application isolation, enhanced security, and the ability to test software and control the environment. So right now, the virtual machine what we selected is the DOSBox. The reason I choose DOSBox is that it is easier for you to understand. And also, a long time ago, it's around 38 years ago, I wrote some basic program. Right now, it cannot run under Windows, so we need to use the virtual machine to run it. And when we show it, I hope that you can understand the function of the code and the concept of build up your coding ability and also training your algorithm to see how it works and the pace of build up your strategies of coding. So what is DOSBox? DOSBox is a free and open source emulator that allows users to run DOS-based software, particularly games on modern operating systems. It emulates the hardware and software environments of an older IBM PC, making it possible to play classic DOS games on computers that no longer support the original DOS operating system. Here's a more detailed explanation. Anyway, there are some points it shows here. We don't read it one after one. You just read it. This is the logo of the DOSBox. So when you run the file that I give to you, the file that I give to you is in here. Okay, virtual machine. Okay, download DOSBox. And I also want to show you here, create number 4. Okay, now I would like to show you the process of running these files. And first you got to copy the GW basic, all the files in the root of C drive. Make it as C GW basic. Then inside the GW basic, it does have 6 files. Then you install DOSBox mount C to C GW basic. Then type the commands like this one. Okay, let me show that. Run this one. But before this, you got to install. Before this, you got to install the GW basic inside here. I do have more files than you. If you install, you have only 6 files. Okay. Then you key in mount. See, the root is GW basic. Okay. So it says C is mounted as local drive. Then you key in C and dir. You can see your 6 files. Then when go here, you run the GWBasic. It will go into the GWBasic mode. Then at first you load the file. You got to put load space, then says str. Okay, you have successfully loaded the star.basic. Then run it. Don't run it. There is an instruction says how to play that. You can see the instruction. You remove the line. You move the line, and you are playing the game with the computer. You can select any number in one line. So I can see, okay, this one, I can say 2. Then if I take 2, computer will take 2 as well. Then in the material, I take 2. Then the computer take this 2. Actually, I know this program. I'm quite familiar with the rule of the strategy to print this game. If you take 1, computer will take the 1, and you take the last. You lose the game. Okay, this is the first game I want to show you. And you can say, no, you don't want to play. It will jump out to the GWBasic. And number 2, you can load space, then says dig-1. When you see the OK means loaded, then you can run the, and they continue. We will run this program for dig-1. How can we do it? In here, you just type dir/w. You can see the file dig-1. Then please log into run the GWBasic. You get into here, which means that we are running on the basic mode. Then here you can load space, then double quotation mark, then dig-1. When you see the OK, you can run the program. This is that we run in the digital converter. So there are 4 types of the digital system. One is binary, one is octal, one is decimal, and the other is hexadecimal. So if you want to see the converted number system reference table, you can key in D. It will show you the numbers in the different numerical system. Then you can run this 7. 7 means from decimal to binary. So I key in 7. If you put in 12 in the decimal, then 12 divided by 2, by 2, by 2, you can see the remainder. The remainder, move this one to here, then this one to here, then this one. Okay? Which means that in the decimal 12 equals binary 1100. Okay? Then you don't want to continue, you can say no. Then run the program again. Right now we will transfer to do the binary to the decimal. So you key in 2, just like 1100. So they will move 0 to the last, and this one to here, and move all the way down. This one to here, this one to here, and then come out the result. A plus 4 and 0 and 0. So sum up of the decimal to become 12. Okay? So we can get one more transfer wrong. So it's from that's to the hexadecimal to octal. So I key in B. Hexadecimal is 2, 3. Then 2 change to 1, 0. 3 change to 0, 0, 1, 1. So binary is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. And then separate 3 digits as a cluster. So this one is 4, this one is 3. So 23 of hexadecimal convert to octal, it becomes 43. Okay, if you want to run more, you just do it by yourself. Then we will do this one. Continue to mastermind. Okay, let me show you that. You run, here you run, space, double quotation mark, mastermind, MD. Okay, then the words is the same as this one I have there. So this one I can guess. Anyway, the two guess the number 1, 2, 3, 4. It says 0, A, 2B, which means 5, 6 is inside, and I can 5, 6, 1, 2. So also 5, 6, and the 3, 4. So the numbers we shoot 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the 4 digits. Got it. Got it. So I only guess the number in 3 times. Then it will ask you continue. Okay, I don't want that. I don't want to run more. So I close it. Then we will run the last one. For mind master. Mind master is you have a number in your mind and the computer to guess the number. So let's go here, and then I mount C my column GW basic, and I say C, then GW basic, then run mind master. Okay, so suppose I have a number in my mind for this one, 3514. See? And then the computer will guess. You got to give it the feedback. You say 1A and 2B. Here, you say 1A and 2B. Let me see the number. Here, 3514. Then, computer will guess 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5, 0, A, and 3B. 0A and 3B. The computer will guess 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1A to B. 1A to B. 1A to B. And then 4, 5, 6, 2. 4, 5, so 1A and 6, 2. 1A, 1B. Let's see here. 1A and 1B. 1A and 1B. Okay. It gets 6, 2, 3, 1. 6, 2, 3, 1. 6, 2, 3, 1 is 0, A, and 2B. Let me check it out. 0 and 2B. 0A and 2B. Then the computer will jump up with the number 3514. Okay, this is what I have for you. And I wrote this program in 1977. It's about 38 years ago. And I show the virtual machine. Virtual machine means that in Windows we can run the DOS. In Windows we can run DOS. And also I give you some of the AI concept. So here you got to say 4A and 0B. That means that the computer, it got it. It got it, okay, I got it. So computer says I got it. So when you run this program, please understand the program's strategy and trying to write a program and the Python. But for the Python, you want to locate the position on the screen. You have to use pygame. Use pygame as a user interface. Okay? Let you try that